Welcome to our channel, where we guide you on the path to financial success. Are you ready to turn your dreams into reality? It all starts with a vision and a plan. Today, we'll share 5 simple steps to save smart and achieve your big-ticket items. These steps are designed to be easy to follow and highly effective. Imagine waking up one day and realizing you have the financial freedom to pursue your dreams. Picture the peace of mind that comes with knowing you are in control of your finances. Whether it's buying your dream home, traveling the world, or simply enjoying more leisure time with loved ones, or starting your own business, the possibilities are endless when you have a solid financial foundation. Everything begins with a simple plan. A well-thought-out strategy can make all the difference. Let's dive into the first step of your journey toward financial freedom. Stay tuned as we break down each step in detail, providing you with the tools and knowledge you need to succeed. The first step to achieving your financial dreams is setting clear, specific goals. Without a clear direction, it's easy to get lost or distracted. Think about what you truly want. Take some time to reflect on your deepest desires and aspirations. Is it that dream house or an exotic vacation? Maybe it's financial freedom or starting your own business. Defining your goal is crucial. It gives you a target to aim for and a reason to stay motivated. Start by writing down your goals with timelines and specific amounts. This makes your goals tangible and measurable. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save for a house," say, "I want to save $50,000 for a down payment on a house within the next 3 years." This specificity helps you track your progress. Break down your goals into smaller milestones. This makes large goals more manageable and less overwhelming. And celebrate each one you achieve. Celebrating small wins keeps you motivated and acknowledges your progress. Visualize your goals daily to keep them at the forefront of your mind. This constant reminder helps you stay focused and committed. Create a vision board with images and words that represent your goals. Place it somewhere you'll see it every day. Share your goals with someone you trust. Having an accountability partner can provide support and encouragement. Regularly revisit and adjust your goals as needed. Life changes, and so might your priorities. Stay flexible and adapt as necessary. Remember, setting clear goals is the foundation of your financial journey. Stay focused, stay motivated, and watch your dreams become reality. The second step is to assess your finances. Track your income and expenses for a month to get a clear picture of your financial situation. Categorize your expenses to identify areas where you can cut back. Calculate your net worth to understand your financial health. Create a budget to control your spending and save more. Review your financial situation regularly to stay on track. Creating a savings plan is the third step in achieving your financial goals. It provides a clear roadmap for how you will save money over time, ensuring you stay on track and make consistent progress. Set a specific savings target for each of your goals and automate your savings. Automation helps you save without thinking about it, making it easier to stick to your plan and avoid the temptation to spend. Consider multiple accounts for different goals to track your progress easily. This way, you can see how close you are to reaching each goal and make adjustments as needed. Take advantage of high-yield savings accounts to grow your money faster. These accounts offer better interest rates, helping your savings accumulate more quickly over time. Review and adjust your savings plan regularly to stay aligned with your current situation. Life changes, and so should your savings plan. Regular reviews ensure you are always on the right path. Flexibility is key to staying on track and achieving your objectives. Being able to adapt your plan as your circumstances change will help you stay committed and reach your financial goals. Step 4 involves boosting your savings with smart strategies. Cut unnecessary expenses and make saving a game. Invest in yourself to improve your skills and increase your income. Take advantage of employer benefits like retirement plans and health savings accounts. Find ways to earn extra income through side hustles or freelance work. Remember, every little bit helps. The final step is staying motivated. Constantly remind yourself of why you started and keep your goals visible. Celebrate your milestones to keep the journey enjoyable. Join a community of like-minded individuals for support and motivation. Stay educated about personal finance to make smart decisions. Be patient and kind to yourself. Progress takes time. Stay committed and believe in your ability to reach your dreams. Start your journey today. Remember, set clear goals, assess your finances, create a savings plan, and stay motivated throughout the process. Subscribe to our channel for more tips on personal finance and budgeting. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found these steps helpful and easy to follow. Let's make your dreams a reality, one smart saving step at a time. Keep going.